नमस्कार भारत। इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर रेलवे एनटीपीसी। भाई साहब, जैसा कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं कि 5 जून से रेलवे एनटीपीसी के एग्ज़ाम्स है, इसीलिए ये वीडियो हमने स्पेशल सुबह 8 बजे डेली एमसीक्यूज़ के हमारे इस चैनल पर वीडियो अपलोड होती है। ये इस वीडियो में आप 100 वन लाइनर्स देखेंगे, जिसमें 50 जीके के क्वेश्चन है और 50 ही जनरल साइंस के क्वेश्चन हैं। ठीक है भाई साहब। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु वाज द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया? डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद। विच इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट? ऑस्ट्रेलिया। हु डिस्कवर्ड इंडिया? वास्को ड गामा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, विच इज़ द लार्जेस्ट रिवर इन द वर्ल्ड? नाइल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, वेयर इज ताजमहल लोकेटेड? आगरा। विच कंट्री इज नोन एज द लैंड ऑफ राइजिंग सन? जापान। विच इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन इंडिया? गंगा। भाई साहब, आप एक इम्पोर्टेंट अपडेट है। भाई साहब, आप चाहे कहीं भी हों, चाहे रेलवे स्टेशन पर हो, रेल में हो, चाहे बस स्टैंड पर हो, बस में हो, चाहे होटल में हो, चाहे किसी धर्मशाला में हो, चाहे कहीं खड़े हों, चाहे कहीं बैठे हों, चाहे सेंटर जा रहे हों, आ रहे हों, या फिर सेंटर के बाहर खड़े हों, तो भाई साहब आपको ये वीडियो देखनी ही देखनी, क्योंकि ये वन लाइनर्स है जीके और जीएस के, जो कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ से कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन फंस सकता है। और भाई साहब, एक एक क्वेश्चन की कीमत होती है सिलेक्शन में, एक एक क्वेश्चन बहुत कीमती होता है सिलेक्शन में। तो भाई साहब, आप इस वीडियो को देखिए। हम जितनी जल्दी हो सके उतनी जल्दी इस वीडियो में बोलेंगे और आगे फिर आपको देखते रहना है। और ऐसी वीडियो हम डेली सुबह 8 बजे, डेली एमसीक्यूज़ की 8 बजे हमारे चैनल पर वीडियो अपलोड होती हैं। ठीक है भाई साहब। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, हु वाज द फर्स्ट वुमेन प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? इंदिरा गांधी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, व्हेन इज इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेटेड इन इंडिया? 15 अगस्त। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ राजस्थान? जयपुर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, who was the first man to go to space? Yuri Gagarin. Question number 12, which city is called the pink city? Jaipur. Question number 13, which is the highest civilian award in India? Bharat Ratna. Question number 14, what is the national currency of India? Indian rupee. Question number 15, which organ control all the functions of body? Brain. Question number 16, who wrote the national anthem of India? Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 17, which is the largest desert in the world? Sahara. Question number 18, which is the longest national highway in India? NH44. Question number 19, who is known as the missile man of India? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 20, which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Question number 21, in which year did India get independence? 1947. Question number 22, which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Question number 23, which is the national bird of India? Peacock. Question number 24, who is the father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 25, which country has the largest population in the world? भाई साहब, पहले चाइना था, वो इंडिया हो गया है, भारत हो गया है। Question number 26, who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Question number 27, which state is known as the land of 5 rivers? Punjab. Question number 28, what is the full form of GDP? Gross domestic product. Question number 29, which Indian state has the longest coastline? Gujarat. Question number 30, who was the first woman in space? Valentina Tereshkova. Question number 31, which is the largest lake in India? Vambanand Lake. Question number 32, which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Bengaluru. Question number 33, which Mughal emperor built the Red Fort? Shah Jahan. Question number 34, which Indian state has the highest literacy rate? Kerala. Question number 35, what is the national animal of India? Bengal tiger. Question number 36, which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Light? Diwali. Question number 37, who gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? Bhagat Singh. Question number 38, what is the name of Indian Parliament House? Sansad Bhavan. Next, which city is known as the City of Joy? Kolkata. Next, what is the study of coins called? Numismatic. Next, who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Lord Mountbatten. Next, which gas is used in electric bulb? Argon. Next, Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next, which freedom fighter is called Netaji? Subhash Chandra Bose. Next, what is the full form of UNO? United Nations Organization. Next, which state is famous for Bihu festival? Assam. Next, which is the smallest state in India? Goa. Next, which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. Next, which river is called Soar of Bengal? Damodar. Next, who discovered gravity? Isaac Newton. अब भाई साहब जनरल साइंस से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आएंगे, ठीक है भाई साहब। व्हाट इज द केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ वाटर? H2O. विच विटामिन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द स्किन इन सनलाइट? विटामिन डी. What is the boiling point of water? 100 degrees Celsius. Which gas do plants absorb for synthesis? Carbon dioxide. Which acid is found in lemon? Citric acid. What is the SI unit of force? Newton. What is the atomic number of hydrogen? 1. Which organ purifies blood in human body? Kidney. Which part of plant conducts photosynthesis? Leaf. Which gas is essential for breathing? Oxygen. What is the hardest natural substance? Diamond. What is the main component of sun? Hydrogen. What is the chemical symbol of gold? Au. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? Vitamin K. What is the process of turning liquid into gas called evaporation? What is the basic unit of life? Cell. Which gland secretes insulin? Pancreas. Which blood group is known as universal donor? O negative. What is the speed of light? 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Which metal is used in making thermometers? Mercury. Which part of brain controls balance? Cerebellum. Which planet has the largest number of moons? Jupiter. Which instrument measures temperature? Thermometer. What is the pH value of neutral substance? 7. Next, which disease is caused by deficiency of iodine? Goiter. What is the function of red blood cells? Transport oxygen. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? Vitamin C. What causes tides in the ocean? Moon's gravity. What is the unit of electrical current? Ampere. Which gas is used in fire extinguisher? Carbon dioxide. Question number 81. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. Which is the smallest bone in human body? Stapes. Which mineral is essential for healthy bones and teeth? Calcium. What is the chemical formula of common salt? NaCl. Which part of body is affected by pneumonia? Lungs. Which disease is caused by Plasmodium? Malaria. Which organ produces bile? Liver. What is the human's body normal temperature? 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degree Celsius. Which part of plant is called its food factory? Leaf. What is the study of heredity called? Genetics. What is the outermost layer of earth called? Crust. What is the main source of energy on earth? Sun. Which type of lens is used in magnifying glass? Convex lens. Which metal is used in batteries? Lithium. What is the main function of white blood cells? Fight infection. What is the unit of frequency? Hertz. Which vitamin is good for eyesight? Vitamin A. Question number 98. What is the study of universe called? Astronomy. Question number 99. What is the powerhouse of cell? Mitochondria. Which organ controls body temperature? Hypothalamus. तो भाई साहब हम आपको फिर से एक बार याद दिला दें, हर रोज़ इस चैनल पर सुबह 8 बजे MCQs की वीडियो आएगी ही आएगी, जब तक आपका NTPC वाला पेपर हो नहीं जाता है। तो भाई साहब आप इस वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद भारत।